If you love a creamy, boozy holiday drink, then this Coquito is for you. To make this process easy, we're going to use a blender. Start by adding coconut milk, evaporated milk, sweetened coconut cream, and sweetened condensed milk to the blender. Now we're going to add even more flavor with a splash of vanilla, ground cinnamon, and ground cloves. These spices give the Coquito that rich, warm holiday flavor. I'm going to give this a quick blend just to make sure that everything is nicely incorporated, and this part is totally optional but highly suggested. Next, I'm going to add a cup of rum, and I'm using spiced rum. Traditionally, white or gold rum is used, but that's totally up to you. And now that everything is blended together and nice and smooth and creamy, it's time to pour the Coquito into a bottle or a jar. You're going to want to refrigerate this for at least 4 hours. Overnight is even better to allow those flavors to develop. When you're ready to serve, give it a good shake and a little sprinkle of cinnamon. And that's it. This might not be 100% authentic, but it is 100% delicious. Now, thank you guys for joining me. I hope you give this a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.